Ever since I have seen that video from Safiya about the 10 routine step from Korea, I always wanted to try it myself, but I have never really seen a good unboxing videos, so I'm just gonna make my own. Let's get started. Ah, fuck. Ooh. Only good skin days ahead. Wow. That's so fancy. Whoa, this shit. Okay, so some samples. And I bought many masks because this kit only comes with one mask. So I bought 4 more. So these are like the masks that it should come with. Okay. And everything else is in a bag. Well, we don't need this anymore. Let's get started with these. Toners, cleansing oil, moisturizers. Fuck is this? More moisturizer, eye creamer. Oh fuck. Stand still. Okay, sun milk or sunscreen. It's the nighttime serums. The mask. Ooh, I heard this one's everyone's favorite. The green tea thing, and then the strawberry mask. This is the nighttime repair. Oh wow, so fancy. It's gonna look like this, which is really nice. The strawberry is supposed to exfoliate your skin food, which I heard smells amazing. The whitening, okay, zero whitening, and then sunscreen. It's in little cute bottles. Oh my god. Toner. Ooh. Cleansing oil. So this one is the one that people really like, where it's supposed to remove your makeup, your face, your ugliness. Wow! Looks really nice. That green tea, eye cream. This box is really fucked up. They probably gave me some weird one. Oh my god, it looks so nice. First Treatment Essence Moisturizer. What? Oh shit. Oh. It's a really weird shape, to be honest, but it looks really nice. So that's gonna conclude our videos on the unboxing of the kits. This kit's actually quite nice and affordable in my opinion. I haven't really tried it yet. I'll make the videos on that one and I'll keep you guys updated. Eventually I'll make a video showing how it really affects my skin, because I have pretty shitty skin. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. Thank you for watching. Peace.